Have you ever paused to ponder the intricate process behind the production of cigarettes? Yes, those little sticks of tobacco, paper, and filters that are so casually lit up around the world. Let's delve into the fascinating journey from tobacco leaf to finished product. Imagine a field of golden tobacco plants swaying gently in the breeze. This is where our journey begins. The tobacco leaves are harvested, usually by hand, and then sorted by size and quality. These leaves are then left to air cure, transforming them from green and fresh to a rich brown color. This process can take up to 8 weeks, and it is during this time that the leaves develop their distinctive aroma and flavor. Once the leaves are fully cured, they are ready for the next step, fermentation. This is a crucial part of the process, as it is during fermentation that the tobacco's natural sugars are converted into the compounds that give the smoke its characteristic taste. This can take anywhere from 4 weeks to several months, depending on the type of tobacco and the desired flavor profile. The fermented leaves are then stripped of their stems and veins, leaving only the most flavorful parts of the leaf. These are then cut into thin strips or shreds. At this point, the tobacco is ready to be blended. Different types of tobacco are mixed together to create the unique blend for each brand of cigarette. Next comes the actual creation of the cigarette. The blended tobacco is sprinkled onto a continuous sheet of paper, which is then rolled and sealed to form a long cylindrical rod. This rod is then cut into the familiar short segments that we recognize as cigarettes, but we're not done yet. Each cigarette needs a filter. Filters are made from cellulose acetate, a type of plastic, and are attached to one end of the cigarette. The filter is designed to trap some of the harmful chemicals in the smoke, making the cigarette slightly less damaging to the smoker's health. Finally, the completed cigarettes are packaged up and ready for distribution. They might end up in a corner store, a supermarket, or even an airport duty-free shop. From there, they find their way into the hands of smokers all over the world. To recap, the production of cigarettes is a complex, multi-step process that begins with the harvesting of tobacco leaves and ends with the packaging of the finished product. It involves curing, fermenting, stripping, cutting, blending, rolling, cutting again, attaching a filter, and then packaging. Each step is carefully controlled to ensure the final product meets the exacting standards of the brand. While it may seem like a lot of effort for such a small item, remember that billions of these are made and consumed every year. Each one represents a tiny part of a massive global industry. The next time you see someone light up, spare a thought for the journey that cigarette has taken to get there.